Scene Sextet. Just before sunrise, Bedouins turned over half-buried stones in the desert to catch the dew that the night's coolness had condensed on the stones' surfaces. Indigenous travelers in the Mexican-U.S. corridor searched the broad leaves of yucca and agave. Rainwater collected at each plant's base, the leaves' apex, remaining there up to a few days after a summer or winter shower. Proceed from the simple premise. The desert caches water in unlikely places that it resists divulging. Do not expend all your energies searching for its secret stashes, but likewise do not assume that its pockets of moisture are non-existent. Restrict your water reconnaissance to early or late in the day when your liquid net gain will outweigh the perspiration you expend. A thirst is seldom quenched. It morphs to reappear on the horizon. Meanwhile, the desert reflects the sun back like a mirror. You are caught in that pair's uneven, inconsummate exchange. Scene forgets. Que lleva, la Virgen de la Cueva. Los pajaritos cantan. Las nubes se levantan. Que sí, que no. Que caiga un chaparrón. A mirror stage.